Okay, we'll see how to create the service role and add service policies while deploying the Python application in the Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, so here click on the application, create application, give the application name, web application. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I am creating the web application using the Python and for that in the Elastic Beanstalk. So create new environment for this. So these are the steps which will follow. So environmental tier, so web server environment, so it is a run a website or web application or API that serves a HTTP request. So if you don't want to schedule a website, then we use this web server environment. Okay, if you want to customize the launching of the website, then we'll go with the worker environment. So we are directly going to create the website. So we selected this web server environment. Then application name we have given the web app. This is. Then you don't have to do anything. Yes, select your platform Python. So it will create a branch and the version of it. It will select. Okay, automatically. I'm going to upload the sample application. Okay, I have already launched one Python code. That's why this option has displayed existing version. So I'm going to upload the sample application which is available. Then single instance free tier eligible. So select this free tier. Next. Yes, here configure service access. Here choose IAM role for Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, we are going to create a service role over here. So I already created some service role, that's why it is displayed here, but I am going to create it new service role. So click on the create role. Okay, then AWS service, here use case service or use case is that Elastic Beanstalk. I am going to deploy the web application of Python in the Beanstalk environment. Okay, so yeah, I mean that's why I selected the Elastic Beanstalk here. If you want, you can take anything Lambda, etc. If you want, if you are doing the service role for the Lambda, but I am creating the service role for the Elastic Beanstalk. That's why I have selected this. Then keep remaining as it is. Click on the next. Okay. Then these are the policies. Keep as it is. Then click next. Okay, so here whatever the name you want to define, you can give it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I give it a name, create role. So it will create a role. Okay, if you see this web server environment, this is the application name we have given. Six platform, that what we have taken the Python. Click on the next. Okay, now here if you see this, here this AWS Elastic Beanstalk role has been appeared. Okay, we select this. Now here EC2 instance profile. You have to create the EC2 instance for this. Now I already some created some, but I'll create this new EC2 instance profile here. Click here. Now yes. Now here use case I am going to create the EC2 instance profile. So select the EC2 from here. Click on the next. select the beanstalk from here. Beanstalk. From this, we are going to select worker tire, elastic beanstalk worker tire, elastic beanstalk web tire, and one container service. So, multi-container docker. So we select these three policies and we apply that. Click on the next. Now here role is what defined. So I'll give the name here again. Profile. Give that name. Create role. Okay. Role has AWS has been created. Now we'll go to the application. If you can able to see, yes, same application, web application. It has select the Python from here, sample application as it is. Next. Fine. Now here service role. Refresh this. We have created a service role 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select that. Then EC2 instance profile. Let's see. Huh. We have created this EC2 instance profile. Select this. EC2 key pair is optional. Okay. So next. Now we are not going to change any networking and database settings. So keep all the things as it is. Okay, don't make the changes. It will use its inbuilt RDS SQL database for the application. Click on the next. Also here instance traffic and scaling, don't do any changes. We are going to use the default cases. Okay, so just go down, click on the next. So configure updates and monitoring and the logging, we are not going to do anything over here. Okay, we are using the by default all the settings. Click next. So that will come to the review phase. So you can see the review, configure environment. Okay, configure service access, networking database, configure instance traffic, scaling, configure updates monitoring. So it will display all the things. Then create the environment. So it is going to create an environment for Python web application using the Elastic Beanstalk. This is health. Health means what? Environment is once it is successfully created, it will display OK. Okay, and here domain name will be displayed that the website which is being launched on the EC2 instance. So here in Elastic Beanstalk, if you find that we are not going to create the EC2 instance, it is automatically created by the Elastic Beanstalk. So we'll wait for some time and we'll check whether the domain will appear here and the health will be the OK. So it is running. Okay, so domain link has been appeared here and the health is pending. We'll wait for some time till that this pending will convert it into OK. So meanwhile it is health has become OK. So we'll click on the domain. It's supposed to display our web application of the Python. Yes, this is our sample Python web application deployed using the Elastic Beanstalk environment. Okay, that's